In this video, I'll be going over how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a solid with 6 sides, and the surface area of a rectangular prism, you're looking for the area of the outer portion. If you imagine a gift box with a wrapping paper around it, that's what the surface area is. In this example where you see a rectangular prism, if you were to cut it open, it will look something like this, where it has the front side, a back side, the top side, bottom side, right side, left side, and what you're doing is finding area of each side and add them together to get the entire surface area of a rectangular prism. So for the surface area formula, the first part we're taking 2 times either the top or the bottom. And the reason why we're taking 2 is because there's a total of 2 panels here. And then we're adding 2 times the left and the right panel. So the left panel will be right here, and the right panel right here. And finally, we're taking 2 times either a front or a back. And that covers the whole rectangular prism. So for the example here, we have the length at 8, and then we have the width at 3 and the height at 4. So the first thing we'll find out is the 2 times the top or the bottom, which will be this portion here. And so the area formula is length times width. In this case, we would take 8 cm times 3 cm. So here and here. And then we will have 24 cm squared. And that would be the area of one of these panels. Then after that, since there's 2 of them, we would take that times by 2, and that gives us 48 cm squared. So this portion covers here. Now the second part, we're gonna find out the left or the right, and then we're gonna times that by 2. And with the same formula, the left or right would be right here. And again, we're taking length times width. So for one of these 2 sides, we have 4 cm, and then we have 3 cm, which we need to times together. So 4 cm times 3 cm equals 12 cm squared. And since there's a total of 2 sides, we times that by 2, and we get 24 cm squared. And that will cover this portion here. Then lastly, we need to find the front and back. And the front and the back will be this portion and this portion. And that will be here and here. So the front, we see that it's 8, and then we need this portion, which is same as the 4 cm. So we're taking 8 cm times 4 cm equal 32 cm squared. Then with that, we times that by 2. There's 2 panels. We get 64 cm squared. And the final step would just be adding them all together. So we have 48 plus 24 plus 64. And the answer is 136 cm squared. So this is how you would find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Thank you for watching.